Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you a really simple method to fix problem with disappeared taskbar in Windows 11. If you want to fix this problem, there are three methods that I recommend you to try. First solution is based on PC restart, so we need to click rightmouse button icon of the start, and after that we need to go to shutdown and click restart. It will restart your PC, and after it, this taskbar should be successfully restored. The second method is based on Windows Explorer. We need to click right mouse button icon of the start, and we need to open Task Manager. Then we need to scroll down and find here Windows Explorer process. You will find this process if you are in the Processes tab. It is very important to open it. And then you need to select Windows Explorer, you need to click right mouse button on it, and then you need to press Restart. So it was the second method, which will let you to repair your taskbar. And the last method is based on system settings. So we need to click right mouse button icon of start, and we need to open settings. Then from the left panel, we need to open personalization settings. And here we need to scroll down and find here taskbar behaviors. We need to click on this arrow, and we need to uncheck this option, automatically hide the taskbar. So I recommend you to try these three methods, which will let you to fix the problem with taskbar on Windows 11. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.